comes with a 6-month 6,000-mile nationwide limited powertrain warranty. Imprea 2.5i, 5-speed manual with overdrive, anti-lock brake system brakes, air conditioning, AM/FM radio, anti-whiplash front head restraints, bumpers, body color, CD player, driver door bin, dual front side impact airbags, electronic stability control, 4-wheel independent suspension, front anti-roll bar, front bucket seats, illuminated entry, MP3 decoder, occupant sensing airbag, outside temperature display, overhead airbag, panic alarm, passenger door bin, passenger vanity mirror, power door mirrors, power steering, power windows, radio data system, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, security system, speed control, speed sensing steering, split folding rear seat, spoiler, tachometer, tilt steering,